Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you turn off setting restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy. So guys, if you're facing this message while using your TikTok, here I will show you how can you fix this message or problem, or how can you turn this off on your TikTok. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You will have to simply make it sure that you are using an updated version of TikTok on your device. So guys, if you want to fix this problem, you will have to simply make it sure that you are using an updated version of your TikTok on your device. So guys, for that you will have to open your App Store or Play Store, and from here search for TikTok. Here it is, and after this check if there is any update available for your TikTok, then update it and check if the problem is fixed or not. And after this go for the second solution, that is you will have to simply change your age on your TikTok account. So guys, if your age is less than 18, you will face this problem or message on your TikTok. So guys, you will have to simply change your age on TikTok, and you will have to make it sure that you are not less than 18 on your TikTok account. So guys, after this check if your problem is fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem, then go for the third solution. That is you will have to open your TikTok, and then you will have to tap on your profile, and from here you will have to tap on three lines, and then you will have to tap on settings and privacy, and from here scroll it below, and from here you will have to tap on report a problem, and from here you will have to scroll it below and tap on privacy or report abuse. Tap on this, and after this you will have to tap on privacy, and from here you will have to tap on why privacy settings have become stricter, and from here tap on no, and from here you will have to tap on need more help. So guys, from here you will have to simply explain your problem, that how to turn off settings restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy. So guys, after this the TikTok team or TikTok authorities will contact you within 24 hours through your email address, and they will try to fix this problem for you, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.